Hello, my people. I'm bringing to you this juicy roasted fish recipe with some fried plantains. You don't want to miss it. Pay attention, okay? The first step I did was to dip my fish in water with some salt and some lime. And now I'm going to start by thoroughly cleaning the fish. My fish was frozen, so I had to let it defrost. So I put it in water with lime and salt. Now it's all defrosted. I am thoroughly cleaning, removing everything that is not necessary on that fish.
Hello, greet everybody for you. Body just shape bello. Motis of one bello. Bello, deliver like I get bello. Them say I did go low. Them say I did go low. Spirit to fortuna. I gon' make you so dada. Say you get the power. Sweetie pasi, malake tu. Shiji kagawa. Jesu Christi lobawa. Kantem paning yakata. You know I see sabi good they do. Sabi oh, oh, sabi oh, oh, sabi oh, oh, sabi oh, oh. Hello, greet everybody for you. Body just shape bello. Motis of one bello. Bello, deliver like I get bello. Them say I did go low. Them say I did go low. Spirit to fortuna. I gon' make you so dada. Say you get the power. Sweetie pasi, malake tu. Shiji kagawa. Jesu Christi lobawa. Kantem paning yakata. You know I see sabi good they do. Sabi oh, oh, sabi oh. Drive it home my head as I make you no leave me they go. Holy Father, oh, make you drive or understand. Yahoo girl no they ever hear. Holy Father, they drive it home my head as I make you no leave me.
Okay, I added some salt, some white pepper, and the Maggi cube, which is this. In the fish, I let it sit for about 10 minutes ish. Now what I'll do is I'll come in, I'll try to put the Maggi, I'll put a little bit more. Come in and put a little more. This everywhere. Rub it around the fish. That's the spice I made, same one as this one. I'm gonna put some Maggi cube in here too. This is a blended mixture of leeks, celery, green onion, garlic, and oil that I blended together. That's my signature marinade mixture, blended mixture that I use for a lot of my other meals. If you've been watching my videos for a while now, you must already know this. Sometimes I add some thyme, but I didn't add any thyme today. I am adding oil to it. You need the oil because you don't want your fish to stick on the pan. I'm not going to be spraying any more oil on my pan. This is all the oil that I'll be adding, and I'll be mixing it with my fish, and I'm just going to put it like that in the pan. Okay,
Hello, greet everybody for you. Body just shape bello. Motis of one bello. Bello, deliver like I get bello. Them say I did go low. Them say I did go low. Spirit to fortuna. I gon' make you so dada. Say you get the power. Sweetie pasi, malake tu. Shiji kagawa. Jesu Christi lobawa. Kantem paning yakata. You know I see sabi good they do. Sabi oh, oh, sabi oh, oh, sabi oh, oh, sabi oh, oh.
This is done. I'm gonna try wash these quick because I'm trying to save time. And then whatever is here that is saved, I may use it again for the fish, so I'll put it with the rest. I'm gonna move this pot and wash this one quick. Because I have to start cutting up the plantains. I'm boiling some plantain and then I'm also frying the other ones.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see.
I will get it out, the first tray, put it out like this, and grab this. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna let it dry a little more, then I'll turn it back. Okay, I'm putting in oil in my pot back there so that here guys, I'm continuing to cut my plantain here.
Happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that.
I won't cut a lot.
Even if it don't happen fast.
There was a little bit of water in the pan and it's already all dried out, so I'm gonna add, this is hard to open. I have to reduce this because it's gonna, okay. Now I can open it, add my oil to fry my plantain.
Drive it home, my.
That's why I dry sometimes. Let's see the fish again because I think I want to flip the fish already, the first round. Yes, I'm going to turn it around. Lots of peels of plantain, which I'm going to put in the garbage soon. But the fish is here. And I'm gonna go ahead and start turning it around. Okay, you guys, This is cold water. I'll put it by my side right here. No, you can see here, next to me here. And I'll put my hands in there and I'll come here and I will simply do this. And I'll come here and I'll simply do this. Come here, simply do this. Come here, simply do this. That's it. Then I'll take this with a spoon, because I don't know where that thing is, with one of my tiny spoons. Then I'll add the spice here, add it here and here and here, and return it to the stove. Okay, round one is ready. I'm gonna move the other one to the top.
You melt the ice behind my stone cold eyes. I turn to ashes, but only just sometimes. Inhale your smoke, but you still act surprised. It's not my fault when we end up capsized. You call me crazy now, but you don't understand. I'm calling out to you. Can you hear a thing? 'Cause you lit the match that ignites the flame. I'm the TNT, but you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Feel the fire, heat that melts us down again. Now it's pouring through my veins, but I said you're the spark to blame. And it's fire, burning holes inside my brain. Some days with you it's paradise, but now you spin me in a web with all your lies. Want you to feel the way I...
Oh, and also don't forget to subscribe. It is free. You don't have to pay nothing. Subscribe, support my channel, okay? See you guys next time. And always remember, love always wins.